welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning video, a little bit of deep cleaning, putting some stuff together, as well as a little vlog. I have not vlogged. I have not filmed a video. Well, let me rephrase that. I have been filming, but I haven't completed filming the video. Like, I would start recording, film a little bit, and then I would stop and do some other stuff, and I wouldn't get back to it that I need to put together. And it is a dresser that I got from Walmart, and it's the it's the Better Homes and Garden dresser. I also have this that I'm putting on the bed today, and then I still have my decor that I haven't put up, and then here's some more laundry that I need to put together, and then there's the rest of my decor right there. I'm gonna get this together, and then I will see y'all in a minute to tackle some of this mess. I'll see you guys in just a second. Like this video, please subscribe, like, comment down below, and stay tuned. Overview of the bathroom. That shower curtain is filthy. If you can, I'm not sure if it's picking up, but I do have a new one here, and I got this from Walmart. And I also got some magic erasers just so I can try to get all this off the walls. But here's an overview of the bathroom. And the shower thingy's falling. But yeah, let's get to cleaning this mess.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby.
I wanted to do a little bit of deep cleaning in this video, and that involves getting the black marks, scuff marks, scratch marks off the wall. So I bought some of these magic erasers to try to tackle that, because normally I would just like wipe the walls down, but I don't know, something about paint on these walls is like different, and it doesn't really clean the walls if you wipe them down. So I'm gonna try this method and see if it works. So I'm gonna open these up, and I've never used these before, so let me read the instructions. How to use: wet, squeeze, erase. That's it. Wet, squeeze, erase. Ooh, it worked. Look. Yay. Uh-oh. This is gonna be a game changer. I know, I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down. Now that all that's done, everything's clean for the most part. I still have to mop, but before I do that, we're gonna put the shower curtain back on, and I'm gonna put the new one. You hear them calling, shouting your name. Turn up the collar and walk away. Feels like you're falling, now who is to blame? Wishing you'd only be more like them. Over and over, you cry yourself to sleep, and you are colder, much colder. If only you could see. Don't you know that you're beautiful?